Some relationships feel intense from the start. One person moves closer, the other pulls back. One demands clarity, the other resists pressure. It can look incompatible, but often, it is deeply connected. Control and avoidance are not opposites in origin. They are different responses to the same fear. And so here are 8 ways opposites bond through fear. 1. One pushes, one withdraws. One partner seeks reassurance, while the other creates space. Both are trying to manage anxiety in opposite directions. This shows up most when uncertainty enters the relationship. 2. Urgency meets distance. One wants answers now, while the other delays the conversation. Speed and slowness both attempt to reduce emotional discomfort. This happens most during conflict. 3. Structure meets freedom. One partner tightens plans and expectations, while the other resists being boxed in. Both are protecting autonomy in different ways. This appears most when commitment deepens. 4. Monitoring meets minimizing. One tracks tone, mood, and changes closely, while the other downplays intensity. Both are trying to stabilize what feels unpredictable. This shows up most after small relational ruptures. 5. Reassurance meets silence. One seeks verbal closeness, while the other becomes quiet. Both are guarding themselves from feeling exposed. This happens most when vulnerability is requested. 6. Intensity meets shutdown. One expresses strong emotion while the other becomes flat or detached. Both feel overwhelmed, but display it differently. This appears most during emotional escalation. 7. Pursuit meets escape. One moves closer as the other creates distance. Both fear abandonment, but manage it through opposite strategies. This shows up most when someone feels insecure. 8. Attachment feels like tension. The friction feels alive, even magnetic. Familiar anxiety can be mistaken for connection. This happens most in relationships that feel dramatic but hard to leave, and so we realize opposites often share the same underlying fear. Control and avoidance are different forms of protection. Intensity does not always mean compatibility, and chemistry can grow from anxiety as easily as affection. So, we ask ourselves, what fear might we both be managing differently? Where does urgency meet withdrawal in our dynamic? What would safety look like without pushing or escaping? Are we connected through calm or through tension? You are not irrational for feeling drawn to what unsettles you. You are responding to something familiar. You are allowed to recognize the pattern without condemning yourself. And you are the quiet knowing that can choose connection without reenacting fear.